Welcome to the Cool School Wausau YouTube page. I hope you like it here. My name's Justin, and I make videos that help students learn English. These videos will help you practice speaking English. There are even some videos where you can get fit. Take your time and look around. If the videos are too easy or too slow, you can increase the playback speed in settings. If the videos are too fast, you can decrease the playback speed in settings. I hope you like it here. Thanks for coming, and please feel free to subscribe at Cool School Wausau. Goodbye.